In this video, I'm joined by my friend Jeeping Jeff, along with the fellow Jeeper we picked up along the way, as Jeff guides us through some lesser known trails in and around the Josie Morris Loop area here in Jensen, Utah, right outside of Dinosaur National Monument. Early on, as we start our day out on the trail, Jeff brings us across a very steep slick rock climb that our new friend John tries to tackle in his two-door JL.
Be ready to bump it into neutral and roll back if you need to.
The Josie Morris Loop is named after Josie Bassett Morris, a notorious local rancher who lived alone in a remote cabin up Cub Creek in the early 1900s. A friend of many outlaws, such as Butch Cassidy and Elsie Lay, Josie herself was tried for stealing neighbors' livestock, but was never convicted. Instead, she is admired as an independent woman who lived a rugged lifestyle alone in the Utah wilderness. As we descended north towards the Green River, we pulled over to take a look at Alien Rock, which, goes without saying, is named so after its uncanny resemblance to E.T. Boy. Wait. See? Good. Go get. Oh, good boy. Good Genji. After a relaxing break by the Green River, Jeff guided us southeast, cutting directly across the middle of the loop through some tight washes. This brought us to my favorite part of today's trail ride. So while we're out here wheeling, I'm doing a quick scout. According to Jeff, there's a pretty nasty washout down here, and I'm just gonna see how bad it is, report back, see if we're actually gonna go this way, or at least just get some footage so when he does trail repairs, he knows what to expect and what kind of manpower to bring to go take care of it. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this real quick. A little tight through these junipers, but we're good. Let's go take a look. So this is the first hill here he said I'm gonna go over. It's pretty blind. Okay, easy enough. All right, second hill here. We're gonna go up and over this ridge. Perfect. Yeah, this is very loose clay. These very loose clay hills, right? And if it gets washed out, I can kind of see why it would be a problem. So hold on, let's see. Make sure I'm not about to go over. Just kind of blind faith right now. Okay, we're good. I'm just making sure I'm in the right spot. All right, I'm gonna keep going down. Ooh. Steep. Hope I can make it up. All right, going down this now.
Nice work, keep it up.
Yeah, it's not too bad, just especially in this sport, just hold the brake. This is definitely where a sway bar disconnected is a must, because this hill right now is a little washed out, nothing bad, especially because the sway bar is disconnected.
So no washout? Was it in good shape or what?
I'm still going. Let me tell you in a minute now. Hang on. Let me look over this last drop here. It's a little off camber, that washout, but it's not, I wouldn't even call it a washout. It's pretty all right, honestly.
Well, that's great news. I wonder if maybe somebody came up and did some road work. Awesome. We're going to tell you you're going to have to drive back up that, though, because we're going to go out a different way.
So it looks like, I'll actually take a video of what that washout was back when I'm going up. I think it's all good. I'm gonna show Jeff just so he knows. But yeah, gonna head back up now, meet up with the group, and we're gonna continue to wherever else Jeff is taking us. Driving through these clay hills was such a fun time, and the views through here really are something else. It definitely got extremely steep at points, and paying attention to the trail was key, because any movement off the trail could easily slide you off or even down the side. After reconnecting with the group, Jeff brought us back the way we came, taking us through some fun obstacles as we made our way back to the main road. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed coming along for this modified trail ride around the Josie Morris Loop area with us. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button for both Roach Off-Road and Jeeping Jeff, so you can check out all the other trail rides and Jeep maintenance videos we have on our channels. Wheeling with Jeep and Jeff as our trail leader and local guide today was an absolute blast, and I am surely looking forward to more trail rides in the future.